Hi everyone, welcome to Joy As It Flies. I'm Chorizo if you're new here, and I deal with the cooking on this side of the channel. Today I'm making 3 different side dishes. These are lovely as any of these as a snack or together to form a meal, but they are particularly good meals if you are entertaining. So the first one of these is the simplest, and actually all of these are really simple, but this has to be the simplest. It is a tomato dip, and all I'm doing is into a bowl is putting some cherry tomatoes with plenty of diced garlic, and this doesn't have to be perfect, it's just, you can put the whole cloves in, but I want that to be able to mix in and soften really nicely. And to that I am adding this cheese, which is just a cheese I had in the fridge, and it is Cambozola. So it's a little bit like a Camembert mixed with a blue cheese. It's absolutely delicious, melts really well, perfect for sandwiches or something like this. And I am just cutting that into cubes and placing that on the top. You could also use brie or Camembert for this. With a nice amount of oil, it just then has to go into the oven and cooked until those tomatoes are lovely and soft and burst open. The second side dish is an Orzo feta salad, and you could use couscous instead of Orzo. I've got Orzo often in the cupboard, and it makes a nice change. If you've never had Orzo, it's lovely. It's actually really versatile and perfect for salad. You can cook this in water. I've used stock because I just wanted to infuse it with that little bit more flavour. Again, this is so simple. There's just a few ingredients. It's perfect for a budget, and you could also, instead of using feta, you could use some goat's cheese or something else, maybe some cubed up halloumi, but I have this feta cheese and it works really, really well. And if you're not a big fan of feta cheese, once it's been cooked, it does make it far milder. So with the Orzo cooking, and this you do need to stir quite frequently as it's cooking. It's done in about 7 to 10 minutes, but stir it constantly, otherwise it does have a tendency to stick. So along with the Orzo and the feta, I have got some lovely figs which will go on top, and then the whole thing will be drizzled with a balsamic vinaigrette. And this is just honey, mustard, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and then a few chili flakes, which are optional, but just for that little tiny extra flavour with the heat. And I did cook the feta cheese in the oven for about 10 minutes to soften it and warm it through. After putting it in the bowl with the orzo, just then mix those together, and you can then either have this as it is, where it's quite hot, or serve it warm or even cold. Again, it's a really good dish to take if you're going to a party or when you're entertaining. And my last dish is one of my all-time favourite meals and side dishes. And this one you can actually make into a main meal if you wanted to, and add a few more little bits to it. And this is a chorizo and potato fried dish. I haven't got a particular name for it. It's just an onion, chorizo, and potatoes. So I'm just boiling those potatoes, frying an onion, and with the chorizo and then the potato. You don't, because there is so much flavour in the chorizo, you actually do not need much else to add to it apart from some pepper, some salt, and maybe a little bit of extra garlic powder. A few of the things I love about meals like this, side dishes like this, is just how simple they are. They come together really, really quickly. There are only a few ingredients in them. They're just simple, and they're actually really budget friendly, and you can swap out any ingredients with something else to suit your tastes or your budget, and that is always a good thing. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and check out the videos on our channel. We have got sewing videos from Cassidy, crochet videos from Melissa, and of course other recipes from myself. Thanks so much again. Please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. And most of all, have a great week. Bye.